So what we're going to be talking about today is different services that different libraries offer. The first library that we're going to be looking at is the Duncanville Public Library, and some of the cool services that they offer is Chromebooks and Wi-Fi hotspots, and those can be taken home and be used. Like if you don't, for example, if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, or if you want to, while you're traveling, you want to minimize how much data you use on your phone, you can take a Wi-Fi hotspot with you. Or if you don't have a computer at home, you can take a simple Chromebook with you. And another cool thing is the Desoto Public Library has GoPro cameras. They also have a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot as well. And they have a Roku streaming stick, which is kind of like the Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick. And next topic we're going to be talking about is notaries. Some libraries offer notaries for a charge, and some don't. So there are some branches of the Dallas Public Library that offer notary services. Check your local library because they might have more than one branch and they may or may not have notaries available. So you just might want to double check to see what they might offer. And also the Houston Public Library offers a notary service, but it's for a fee. So it's $6 for the first signature and $1 for each additional signature after that. So, and it also looks like they have particular branches as well. So there's that. And the next topic we're going to be talking about is called the Interlibrary Loan, or ILL is what us library people call it. It's a service. If there's a particular book you're looking for, you can have your library look around to see if any other libraries have them. And sometimes it'll cost a small fee to cover getting the books to and from the library. So, for example, the DeSoto Public Library has a $1.75 postage and shipping. So, there's that. And the Dallas Public Library charges $3 per item that is delivered. And you might want to check your local library to see if they have this service and if they charge that quote-unquote postage fee. The next topic we're going to be talking about is makerspaces. There's some libraries that have makerspaces, which might include like 3D printers or certain designated computers for audio and video editing / equipment to use. And one of the libraries here, called the Chapel Hill Library, has a digital media lab where you can go in and use their stuff. And the Eugene Public Library has audio and video editing and some other stuff as well. And then the next topic we're going to be talking about is online resources, which means like things like databases that might be online, like your newspapers or your ebooks, electronic books, and that sort of thing. So the Dallas Public Library, they call it downloadable media, and this is everything online to do with electronic books and audiobooks, and magazines. And then here's the Dallas Public Library's databases. So they have newspapers and journals and job and careers and test preparation, all that stuff. And a bonus, which I think is cool, that the Hawaii Public Library offers is, where is it? Somewhere here. Is seed stations at different branches. And you get the swap seeds, your own seeds that you bring, and you get to plant them. I think this is a really cool program. All the links are going to be in the description. If you have any questions, just comment them below, and hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.